This is official government-created propaganda from 2003.
Maahanmuuttajia.
Minkä maalainen sinä olet?
Minä olen suomalainen.
Minä olen suomalainen.
Minkä maalainen sinä olet?
Suomalainen. Minä olen kosovolainen.
Minäkin olen kosovolainen.
Yeah, the world has much changed since 2003. And today, of course, social media, by definition, harnesses this kind of autogenous, spontaneous, decentralized propaganda.
Mitä mä sanoin tuossa alussa, että mä en tunne olevani edes 10% intialainen. Se ei ole juurien kieltämistä. Se oli rehellisyyttä. Siitä, että kasvot on äidiltä, identiteetti on punkaharjulta ja suhde Intiaan, se on keskeneräinen. Ja mä rakennan sitä itse aikuisena omilla ehdoilla.
I think in 2003, nobody really doubted that if these women from Kosovo married into Finnish citizenship, did the hard work to learn the Finnish language, and adopted the Finnish identity, they would lose their Kosovar identity. They would, in a very significant sense, cease to be attached to Kosovo. And the nature of that sacrifice, Estonia, another interesting challenge in every way except your physical appearance. The integration of the Russian minority into Finland has been a massive political challenge, but someone who's genetically half Russian, half Finnish, doesn't present the same challenge that integrating these Somali and now Indian minorities presents. So what is it going to be? What is the future of Finland? And the answer can't be inbreeding, people, because Finland already represents one of the worst genetic bottlenecks on planet Earth. The predominantly blonde indigenous people of Finland are in dire need of intermarriage.